trying to fuck tomorrow, baby, I want you. Nah, nah. Don't take my number, don't want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby, I won't love you, I can't love you.
Hey Forever dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I created a chit chat get ready with me, you guys, and I did this natural face look because I didn't know what I was gonna wear today, and this face can go with anything, whether I want to dress it down, dress it up, put on some J's, put on some slides, it doesn't matter, you guys. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, go ahead and click the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Turn on your bell notification so that you never miss a video again, and we're gonna go ahead and get on into the video. Bye. Hey Forever dolls, welcome back. So let's go ahead and jump on into the conversation, y'all. Let's go ahead, let me see, what are we gonna talk about today? We need something juicy, like something like really good. Let me see. So let's talk about my 2019 so far, you guys. The only thing that, oh god, I don't have anything in here. The only thing that I can say, it has been, I'm trying to get some oil out of here, you guys, and apparently I don't have anything in here. There we go. Let me tell y'all, the only thing that I can pretty much say is that 2019 is definitely working me, you know? Like, it's not like, oh, it's like, oh, it's hard work. It's like, it's almost, to me, it's like work going unrecognized. So it's not hard because the work is being put in. It's like it's almost going unrecognized. So that's like my anxiety, my stress for the moment, you guys. I am just like, oh my god, you know, what do I do? But one thing that I do try to continue to do is just remain positive on everything that I'm doing, and just make sure that I keep a consistency in what it is that I'm doing, y'all. And yes, that is just that. So I know today, you guys, I am gonna try to go look at some places so that I can schedule a meeting with this photographer and get some pictures taken, because I really need pictures, you guys. Like, I really need them for my feed. Like, outside of my beauty room, I need other pictures. So I've been talking to a photographer, and the hope in the hopes that you know, we can soon meet up and hopefully discuss like some ideas, because see, I'm the type of person who has like 101 ideas in my head but needs somebody to help me get them out and put them like to life. Like, I have all of the ideas, but they're like in my head like screaming, because you know how people say no question is a dumb question. I'm like one of those people who's like, oh my god, what if somebody feels like my idea is dumb? So when it comes to me trying to push like what I have going on in my head, I need, like, I reach out to other people. But that's totally fine, because you know, you have to have people help you, you know, accomplish your dreams, and everybody didn't do it by themselves pretty much. So yes, y'all, that is pretty much what I am on. So I'm really excited about that, because this whole week, kind of sorta, I've been in the house. So I know I've asked you guys time and time before to tell me like some things that you guys want to start seeing on my channel, different content that you guys want to start seeing as well. I'm open to anything. I won't turn anybody away with their ideas. You know, different is good. So if you guys have great ideas and, you know, just anything for me, please do not be afraid to reach out to me. Be like, hey girl, I have this really good idea, I think you should hear it, I think this would be really good for you to do for your channel. Let me know, guys, let me know. And you know, even what better yet, for the best idea, for the person who comes up with the best idea, I will do a giveaway. I will give away a palette of your choice. So I'm gonna pick the winner, and then we'll converse either via Instagram or something like that, and then you guys can tell me what palette of your choice you would like for me to get for you, and that will be the giveaway. So you guys, bring on the challenge, because let me tell y'all, I love a friendly challenge, okay? And I feel like you guys need some rewarding. Y'all have been so loyal on my channel. Y'all have been doing everything just perfect. Like, I just cannot ask for more. Like, oh my God. Y'all are like awesome sauce to me. And it's like, what did I do to deserve y'all? So, you guys. Somebody told me, I mean, I've seen it. Okay, so this is crazy. I've seen it, but I never in a million years thought that it was for me. I mean, I still don't think it's for me, but I want to try it now because more and more people are asking me. But what it is this reverse highlight and contour. Oh my God, you guys. If y'all would like to see that on my channel, or if y'all would like to see me attempt that, please feel free to drop me some information and let me know, okay, you guys? Okay, so let's talk about this. So if you guys do not know, Sephora has some really cool things going on for beauty influencers who are wanting to get out there a little bit more, like such as myself. And let me tell you guys, they have a link to where you can leave a testimony, yes, a testimony for your favorite beauty influencer. You guys, I will put that link down in my description box. If you guys can help your girl out and leave me great positive things telling them why you guys think I am a great beauty influencer, that would be greatly appreciated. You guys, like, I am trying to get my hands on a little bit of everything. Like, I want to do everything. Like, I want to just branch out so far. Like, it doesn't just stop with makeup. Like, I want to go so far with my beauty career, because ultimately at the end of the day, you feel beautiful with more than, you know, makeup. It's other things more than makeup that make a female feel beautiful. So I want to achieve all of those things, you guys. Like, when I tell you guys, I have major plans coming up, but I have to like keep them on the down low so that nobody like block my blessings or block my plans, you guys. But when I tell y'all, it's gonna be ready to take off, and I cannot wait to announce it. It's gonna be epic, y'all. Let me tell y'all. I don't know, y'all. Like, let me tell y'all, when it comes to my hair, I get bored. Like, bored. Like, I'm always wanting to do like new styles. And you see right now, I'm rocking this whole little Dora thing going on right now. And y'all, I am like sitting over here contemplating in my head as I'm doing my makeup right now, and it's so bad. Like, what look am I gonna do next? Like, I need something new. Like, I'm like over here really seriously thinking about it, y'all. Like, really thinking about it. You wouldn't even believe like how tough I'm thinking about it. It's just that I get so bored with my looks from time to time. Like, I'm like, next look me please. Like, and then it's like there's so many hairstyles coming out every day. Like, how can you just be satisfied with one? Like, how can one do such things? Like, it's hard, you guys. Okay. So being that I don't have any music, I have to make my own music and be my own music. So yes, y'all have to just ignore me. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know. I need music. It's like therapy for me. My camera is so rude, y'all. It just cut off in the middle of my process of me slaying this face. Like, I was like, okay, rude much. Anyways, y'all, so like I was saying, there's so many things that I have in store for 2019, and I hope that you guys Tarte said it's a highlight palette, but they only got one highlight in here to me that's worth using to highlight. It's like a subtle highlight, but you know that you're highlighting. You guys, if y'all have a favorite highlighter, it doesn't matter if it's drugstore, high-end, whatever, comment down below. I don't care if you made the highlighter. Comment down below, because I am in a search for some really good highlighters. Like, I love to highlight, you guys. I really, really love to glow. Okay, you guys, let me tell y'all something. I enjoyed y'all. I enjoyed talking to y'all. I enjoyed dropping some tea with y'all. If y'all like my chit chat, get ready with me, and y'all have other topics for me to talk about next time, drop them down below. Tell me how y'all felt about my chit chat, get ready with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.